Alright, so I got someone coming in with a new windshield right now. I'm gonna replace that. All types of crack, check it out. So yeah, hopefully dude's over here soon and we're gonna replace this window. There you have it, kids. There you have it, boys. It looks easy, but it's not easy. That's the man set right here. If you guys need some window replacement around DFW, go check him out. I'll show you his Instagram and number right here. Actually, a pretty quick job, pretty well done also. So, check him out. So I need to get new windshield wipers because those are old as fuck.
Ready, buddy?
Oh yeah, so it's windy as fuck, but check it out, new windshield. And if you guys need some, check him out right here. This is info. Hit him up. He did it pretty quick, bro. That was pretty quick. He drives to you and did a pretty good job. I like it. So yeah, that's with that. Now, you know, this car's old and something else happens every day. So new thing is this guy right here. So I'm gonna try to figure out so I can close this door and not open it ever again. I'm just kidding, I need to fix this, but should be easy to fix, you know. So yeah,
It looked like a happy face.
and then this like the teeth.
Bro, the Golf has gone downhill. That's all I'm gonna say.
No.
It really has. Like, you gotta do something with it.
What's that?
Gotta make some moves.
I am. That's why we're gonna put these babies on. Yeah, that is the move because it's gonna give a badass stance in the rear. Time to do it.
Bro, let's get a big stick. Did a hawk drop that off or what?
Dude, yeah, it looks just like fur.
It wasn't dead rabbit here. Why is it on the roof?
On the rough?
Get it down, bro. How does it work? That's Oh. What?
Damn. So we're about to test fit these spacers right here. They're supposed to be 20 mm, and we're gonna see the difference it does. So this is it now, right here, from bird's eye view.
Power, but not electric.
Can it go down? One. There's usually a dip right here. That way I know where the fuck it is.
You'll need an extension.
Oh yeah, I just saw that. Not good.
tight.
Nope. I guess not.
Bro, that ain't very dope. Losing man points every time.
Or maybe I'm just super strong.
You gonna get the last one?
Yeah, but I need this boy right here.
Oh, geez. Use this now. That might break those loose. I thought they would be tighter. Here we go. Pump. That was one solid pump.
Put it in third.
Should be good.
Yeah. We don't even need to put this, huh?
Nah, just don't go under it.
Right?
Here. Use that.
Oh, yeah. This is done in like a second, Zach.
It'll be done like at 10 a.m. Coffee.
We got a espresso. What's it called? Machine. Keurig?
Maybe after this beer.
Hell yeah, dude, I love
Maybe after the dip.
Keurigs.
Yeah.
After the dip
Oh,
comes.
you had to watch.
Yeah, bro, it's right here. It's on the screen.
Oh, that's I love that.
Dogecoin to US dollar. It's not as real time as the Robinhood because it's not enough digits, but it still is real time. Oh, yikes.
Why is it so fascinating to watch dogs? I don't get it.
I don't get it either. It's
So you're gonna say-
insane.
I thought you were gonna say to watch me.
No. We all love watching the coin just like go up and down. I like that tread, bro.
Yeah, that's some thick tread.
It's good.
Well, yeah, the wheels were new pretty much.
Oh,
Should
that fits really good.
Yeah,
Does this fit the wheel?
it should, yeah.
See if it fits. That fits the wheel.
It should, hold on, let me.
It should.
Yeah, because these were in a Jetta with Aristos as well.
You said they were free though, right?
Yeah, my friend gave it to me.
Oh, then I can't talk to you. They're free, but.
Well, I mean, that's it. You have to line it up, though. This way you'll know it's all the way on.
This is the hard part.
Alright, let me see. I always work it over my feet. Easier.
Yeah, it's true. That's why I wore these, because
This is an annoying design, though. Why would they do that?
Germans. Oh yeah, that's enough. You know which hole it is?
Looks like this one.
Well, you can see this. That's where they go.
This one?
Yeah, this one. You see the shape of the wheel.
That's really annoying that they do
Yeah.
There we go.
Uh-oh, what's going on?
They took off?
No, this came with the spacers. Otherwise, they wouldn't work. Just they need to be long.
I mean, it's in here, the thread.
Maybe because they're so long, it just needs a little more.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Got it easier. I mean, I'm not putting much torque on it. Yeah, there. See, there it goes.
Yeah, that looks
They're like,
much better.
the threads are dirty.
Yeah, they had a little bit of rust.
They're just barely hand tight. That was easy.
So we can lower it now, right?
No, gotta tighten them.
Oh yeah, that's right. Not too much, right? Just a little bit.
Just a little tap, and then.
Alright, so here's the bird's eye view. Looking pretty good. Here's a rear view. And we'll be lowering it.
Yeah, you can lower it now.
Oh yeah, you have to push it all the way down. Otherwise it'll take the side skirt. There you go. Shit, bro. That's nice. Let me see it from here. I've always wanted. Ooh! That's nice. Bro, that's nice. Ooh. No more like skinny legs. It's like those girls that have big ass, but like they have really skinny legs. Dude, this is just sketchy, bro. Like,
That's good. It ain't going. That's how you get good torque on. You gotta get the leverage going, or else it ain't gonna be good, bruh. Is this your first time doing car stuff?
with scuff shit, yeah.
What do you mean scuff? That's brand new, bro. That's Craftsman, bro. That's Craftsman.
I just feel like this is gonna slip up and hit my face.
No, that's what I use every time.
Okay, Zach. Oh, god damn it! What happened there?
We're going home.
What are you doing?
We're going home.
Bro, what are you doing?
Man. I'm selling all my Dodge now.
This changes by itself, bro. This just flips by itself. It's scary, dude.
What the hell?
This is scary, bro.
Bro, like, what are you doing? Bro, that's crap. What are you doing?
What the fuck? No, this is shit. That's what it is.
What did you do? Dude, what the fuck?
This is not
I'm telling
Craftsman.
you that's enough, bro. It's like, yo, chill. Like,
Oh.
that's enough, homie. Like, chill, homie.
You keep it up, bro.
You're
Our
boosting.
friendship is over.
Yeah, like, you're boosting too much,
This is
dude.
not going hot.
My headphones are getting lost right now.
Need a sip of beer.
Is that
The points he's losing, I'm picking him off the ground.
Shut the fuck up. You're just sitting there. Oh, here we go. Now you're just gonna pull the good one
I'm
out.
just gonna pull the good one out and do it for real. This is the play toys. These are the play
You
toys.
give me the play toy, bro? What the fuck, bro?
Yeah, I didn't want my new stuff to get broken.
I mean, yeah. What'd you say, Zach? 15 or 10 minutes it took?
Probably 20.
20? Alright. Yeah. Susie?
Another one.
I did the red ones, not the greens.
Nice.
Too tart for me.
What rating do you give that apple right now?
Did you wash it or rinse it first?
Oh yeah, I washed it. Okay.
I don't wash mine.
This
The
one-
pesticides I'm looking to give me.
Pretty good, actually. It's really crisp. That's why I like the Granny Smiths, because
Sounds
they
Yeah.
keep crisper longer. Those red ones go soggy real quick.
But those aren't as sweet though, right? They got a little
These?
bit of like.
Oh yeah. No, these are sweet.
Tart. I mean, in my memory at least, the green ones were more tart.
Yeah, yeah, a little bit more, a little tiny. Nah,
Yeah,
this
those
turned
are
into
really
a
crisp. This is like an 8 or a 9.
apple review.
Debatable in my
Target.
end. I mean, I respect your rating, but right after
I had some.
That's a red apple.
Sent a picture, but my mom got that box for Christmas. Those wolf apples from Oregon.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
They were good as fuck.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah, there's a
Keep the apples.
new segment, apple reviews.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I love apples.
Well, I bet you guys never had a water apple.
Never heard of that.
In Spanish, it's called manzana de agua. It's really good. It's really weird. It's really juicy, and it's not a shape of an apple. Like, just search it right now on Google right now. Oh my God. And it fits perfectly. Fucking perfectly. I was thinking I was gonna have to do some other shit, but it looks good so far. Even with the weight on, it's just gonna tuck in real cool. Looks nice. Yeah. How hard was that, Zach?
It's terrifying. Terrifying hard. Rough. Yeah.
We broke this thing right here. It's an extension. I don't even know how, but it happened. Yeah, we just hope ride's good. And that was quick. I've been trying to do this for a long time too, so. Because I hated it, been looking at it from here and then poking in the back like that.
Hourglass figure, bro.
Yeah. It looks so nice from here, bro. Like,
Birthing
damn,
hips.
bitch. Damn.
Birthing hips.
Such a little thing gave her such a cool look.